morning students. Welcome to today's Elga class. I hope all are safe in home and ready with your needed things, right? Before we entering the class, I want all of you to clap your hands. Just clap your hands for 3 seconds. Shall we start? Yes, start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Very good, cuties. Let us move to our today's session. In our today's phonics session, I am going to introduce the new blend sounds. I hope you all remember about blends. What is meant by blends, ma? I give you 2 seconds to recall this blends. 2, 1, 0. I am going to say blends means when two sounds come together to make a new sound is known as blends. Say along with me. When two sounds come together to make a new sound is known as blend sounds. Today we are going to see a new blend sounds. Listen to the video carefully.
Let us learn some new sounds. The first sound is sk. Sk, screw. Sk, screw. Sk, scarf. Sk, scarf. Sk, scale. Sk, scale. Sk, scared. Sk,
Scared.
The next sound is sw. Sw, sweep. Sw, sweep. Sw, switch. Sw, switch. Sw, sweater. Sw, sweater. Sw, swing. Sw, swing.
I hope you understand this. Again, I am going to play this video. You just follow the video and say the sounds and also words along with the video. Shall we start? Listen to the video carefully.
Let us learn some new sounds. The first sound is sk.
Sk,
Sk, screw.
screw.
Sk, screw. Sk, scarf. Sk,
Scarf.
sk,
Sk,
scale. Sk,
scale.
sk, scared. Sk, scared. The next sound is sw. Sw,
Sw,
sweep.
sweep. Sw, sweep. Sw,
Switch.
switch.
Sw,
Switch. Sw,
sweater.
sw, sweater. Sw,
Swing.
swing. Sw, swing. Next, I want all of you to open SR16. I start countdown, ma. And the page number is 21. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Very good. Let us going to read the words of this new blend sounds in our SR book. What blend is this? Sk. Say along with me. Sk. Sk. Repeat it again. Sk. Screw. Sk. Screw. Sk. Scarf. Sk. Scarf. Sk. Scale. Sk. Scale. Sk. Scared. Sk. Just point out with your finger and then say along with me, ma. Scared. Let us move to the next word. Scab. Scab. Scam. Scam. Scan. Scan. Scott. Scott. Like this, we're going to say the next new blend sound. What blend is this? Sw. Repeat it again. Sw. Sweep. Sweep. Switch. Say loudly. Switch. Sweater. Sweater. Swing. Swing. Let us move to the next word. Sweet. Sweet. Swim. Swim. Swig. Swig. Swat. Swat. Again, you go through all these blend sounds and then words in your SR 16 again and again, ma. Let us move to our next session, whole words. What is meant by whole words, ma? Yes, when we see a word, by looking at the word and then say the word as it is. Can we use sounds to read this word? No, we do not use sounds to read this word. By simply looking at the word and then say the word as it is. Today we are going to introduce some new whole words. In our previous classes we learnt about the spelling of the new words. We already learnt in our classes. Today onwards we are going to learn some new whole words. Look at the word. You just follow the arrow and then say the word. Will. Will. Say along with me. Will. Will. I will come soon. Will. Will. Repeat it again. Will. Let us move to the next word. Now. Now. Just point out with your finger and then say the word. Now. Now. Repeat it again. Now. Look at the next word, ma. No. 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 Repeat after me. No. May I know your name? No. Let us move to the next word. Asks. 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 Look at the next word. Read. Read. I read a book. Read. Say along with me. Read. Look at the screen, ma. Again, I'm going to see these new words. Look at the word. Will. Will. Say along with me. Will. He will live there with his family. He will live there with his family. Which word we have to fill in this blank? Yes, I will. I will do my homework now. Let us move to the next word. Now. Now. Repeat it again. Now. He will live there with his family now. Say along with me. Now. Which word do you have to fill in this blank? Can we eat this cake? Yes, guess the word. We have to fill in this blank. Which word, ma? Good. Can we eat this cake now? Say along with me. Now. Look at the next word. No. 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 He wants to know about all the places in China. No. I want to know all about this city, right? Good. I want to know all about this city. Look at the next word. Asks. Asks. He asks his teacher about China. She asks a lot of questions, right? She asks a lot of questions. Look at the next word. Reads. Reads. He reads book about China. Reads. Which word we have to fill in this blank? Guess the word. Good. He reads newspaper every day. He reads newspaper every day. Again, we go through this new word. Say along with me. Will. Will. Now. Now. Repeat again. Now. No. No. Repeat after me. No. Asks. Asks. Repeat it again. Asks. Look at the next word. Read. 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 Next, I want all of you to open worksheet 12. Second question. I start countdown, ma. 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at the second question. There are two subparts are given. Read the underlined word and circle its meaning. In these two subpart questions, some sentences are given. You will read the sentence. You will read the sentence and the underlined word. Under the sentence, there are two options are given. You will circle the correct option that has the same meaning as the underlined word. You have to choose the meaning for this underlined word from these given two options and then circle the correct meaning. I am going to show you one model. He goes to the library. He reads books about China. What is the underlined word in this sentence? Library. What is meant by library? Do you have any idea? Yes, library means a place for books market. Library, what is meant by library? In library, I saw there are lots of books, right? Right. This is the correct meaning for library. Library means a place for books. So that I circle this option. Like this, you have to do this remaining question in your worksheet 12. Turn the page. Worksheet 13. Vocabulary words. In this worksheet number 13, first question. Look at the first question. Sort the words by writing them in the correct column. In this question, you look at the words given in this box. Look at the words in these boxes. You will then see what to add before each word. You just look at each word and then you have to find out which word you have to add before this each word. Either a, an or the. Then write the word under the correct column. You have to read this word first. You have to read this word clearly. Library. You just find out. You have to find out which word we have to add before this word. Either a, and the. Yes, we find out which word you have to add before this word, and then you have to write it in this correct column. Like this you have to do it in your worksheet. We already learnt about the articles, ma. Do you remember? A and the are known as articles. When we put a, you just recall when we put a and when we put an and then the. Just recall again and then do this activity in your workbook. If you completed means send it in your WhatsApp group. Next, I want you to open SR 12. I start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Today we are going to read a new story. You just point out with your finger and then read along with me. What is the title of the story, ma? Moving to China. Moving to China. Moving to China means, yes, go to China. Author Sakshi Bhatia. Illustrator Minesh Shah. Look at the first page. My friend Karan is going to China. He will live there with his family now. Again, second page. He wants to know about the places in China. So, he asked his friends. He asked his teacher about China. Look at the picture. He asked his teacher about China. Look at the next page, ma. He goes to the library. Look at the picture. This is library. He reads books about China. He makes a list of places he will visit there. First, he'll go to see the Great Wall of China. Look at this. This is the Great Wall of China. Then, he will go to see the Summer Palace. After that, he will see the yellow mountains. At last, he will go and see the West Lake. He read that it is called Paradise on Earth. Look at the lake. This is West Lake. It is also called as Paradise on Earth. He also wants to learn Chinese language. He has made a long list. Karan will have a lot of fun in China. Like this, you read the story again in your ESSA book. Turn the page ESSA 6 and the page number 11. Going to recap articles and then cardinal and ordinal numbers. These three we already learnt in our previous classes. Now I am going to recap these three again. Articles. What is meant by articles, ma? An article tells us if the noun is general or specific. It always comes before a noun. Say along with me. An article tells us if the noun is general or specific. It always comes before a noun. Look at this picture. What is this? Flower. Is flower is a noun or verb? Flower is a noun. Good. This is a general thing. Flower. A flower. Look at the beginning sound of this word. Flower. This is a consonant sound, right? So we use a. A flower. Look at the next picture. What is this? Apple. Look at the beginning sound of this word. Apple. A. A is the sound of a vowel, right? A is a vowel. So, before a vowel, we add an. We add an before vowel sounds, right? What are vowels, ma? A, E, I, O, U. These five are vowels. Remaining the letters are consonants, right? So that before a vowel sound, we use an. And then look at the next word. The red bus. This is a general thing, right? So we use the red bus. Let us move to the next. Cardinal and ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers. I hope you remember this cardinal and ordinal numbers. We already learnt in our previous classes. Cardinal numbers. Say along with me. Cardinal numbers tells us how many of something we have. They come before a noun. Look at the picture. Now we go to read this sentence. I have one apple. Look at this. One. This tells us about how many of the noun we have. What is the noun in this sentence, ma? Apple. So, this number, this cardinal number tells us about how many of the nouns we have. How many of the apple is there here? Only one apple. So, I have one apple. So, 1 is a cardinal number. Look at the next sentence. What is the noun? Chopsticks, right? So, we write this cardinal number before a noun. These are 2 chopsticks. 2. In this 2 tells us how many nouns are there. How many nouns are there? 2. 2 chopsticks are there. So we use this cardinal number 2. Look at the next. Here are 4 oranges. How many nouns are there? 4 oranges. So we use this word 4. Let us see the next. Ordinal numbers. Say along with me. Ordinal numbers tell us possession of a noun. They also come before a noun. Look at this picture. This is Rohan, Sejal, Tarun. They are running in the running competition, right? Rohan came first in the race. So, this word first tells us about the position of the noun Rohan, right? Rohan is the noun in this sentence. This word tells us about the position. Rohan came first. Sejal was second in the race. Tarun was in the third place. Like this, these words, ordinal numbers, these 3 are ordinal numbers, says about the position of a noun. I hope you understand. Let us move to the worksheet number 13. Second question. Look at the second question, ma. Underline articles, cardinal and ordinal numbers in the sentences. Look at this. There are some sentences are given. Just you have to read the sentence. I can see the article. First, I am going to say one model. People are working in the building. Right. I can see the article. What article is present in this sentence? The. Very good. I can see the article the before the noun building. That building is a noun in this sentence. I can see the article the before the noun. It tells us that we are talking about that particular building. The word that tells us that we are talking about that particular building. So I will underline the. In the same way, you will underline articles, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers in these sentences. You have to do this remaining questions and then send it in your WhatsApp group. Let us move to the next worksheet. Worksheet number 14, question 1. You can see 4 pictures which are not in the correct order. You just look at the picture. These pictures are not in the correct order. You will write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 to put them in the correct order in these given boxes. You have to do it yourself. You just look at this picture and then you have to sequence this in the correct order by putting the number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right. And then look at the second question. Look at the second question. There is a tabular column. first, second, third and last. First of all, you have to complete this first question. After this, you have to complete the second question by seeing the pictures in this first question. You have to fill it with this first. What is happening in the first, second, what is in the second picture, and then third, last. After you sequencing this first question and then do this second question by using the pictures in the first question, ma. Try to do yourself in your workbook. Next, third question. Tick the correct sentence to guess what is happening in the picture. Look at the picture. There are two subpart questions are given and then two pictures with two options are given. Just look at the picture and then choose the correct option from this and then tick the correct option. Look at the picture. Going to show you one model. What is this? A girl, right? How she is looking? The girl is surprised. The girl is sad. How is she? I think the girl is surprised, right? So that I going to put this tick mark in this sentence. Like this, you have to do this remaining question by yourself in your workbook. Okay, cuties, let us going to complete our today's session. You have to do all these worksheet activities and then go to recall the words, new blend sounds. No, you have to read the words in this new blend sounds from SR 16 in your SR book. All of you take care, ma. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.